What's up guys? So today we'll be unboxing Apple's best display on the market right now. This is Apple's Studio Display XDR and this is a replacement for the Pro Display XDR. This launched just 2 weeks back and it has some amazing features which are actually much better and much more value for the money compared to the previous Pro Display XDR. So first up, we actually get a camera and a speaker on this. Unlike the Pro Display XDR, it did not have a camera at all. You also get the height and tilt adjustable stand included with the display. That's also an amazing thing, and that was like around $5,000. This with the nano texture display, which is this box, comes at roughly around $3,599 US. So that's there, and obviously the Apple Care if you want to take. But other than that, this does have some improvements, such as this has 120 Hz of refresh rate, which the older one did not have. That's also amazing. It also has up to 1000 nits of brightness and 2000 nits of peak brightness, which is also really amazing. So this does have some more features than the Pro Display XDR, but the only thing it's missing out is the size, that was 32 inches, this is 27 inches, and that was 6K, this is only 5K. So that's one thing, but for the price, I think this is definitely more justifiable than the Pro Display XDR because this has more features than that and it's much more affordable also. So yes, let's unbox this and see how this whole thing looks like, and I'll pair it up with my MacBook to see what this display offers and how good are the colors and all of that. So let's go. So now you have to use the peel tabs to open this box. And I'll just turn this box around so we can unbox the full thing. So here we have the box and we just have to open this like this. It's quite a big box, but we just have to pull it out from here and from here. And then this is the display itself. I'll just keep it on top of the box right now.
A few moments later.
We'll just keep this display aside for now because there's more accessories inside the box also. So we'll just look at all of that and what else comes in the box. Over here inside the box, we have this. Over here, we just have to pull this from here. And inside we get this Thunderbolt 5 cable for a meter long, which is used to connect the laptop and other computers to the display itself. So we'll just take this also off from here. Yeah, so this is how the cable looks like. This is the Thunderbolt 5 cable. We'll keep this aside from here. And inside we have this booklet. We have this, it says Studio Display XDR. We have an instruction on how to clean this because this is the nano texture glass, so they gave an instruction on how to clean it and which cloth to use. We have few manuals and all of that. This is the EU regulation thing, so all of that is fine. And here we get the cloth itself. This is the polishing cloth which Apple gives with the nano texture glass. It comes with the iPad also, and now even the MacBooks, even the Vision Pros, and this also for now. So this is what they give with the nano texture, and yeah, this is how the cloth itself is. It's pretty similar to the iPad one, so that's nothing different. Yeah, but this is how it looks like. So yes, that's what all comes in the box. But apart from this, we also have few accessories that we purchased, and those are the Magic Keyboard and the Magic Trackpad, which will be really useful while working with the display. So we'll unbox those things also. So over here we have all of the accessories. This is the Magic Keyboard over here, as you can see, and along with that we also have Apple's Magic Trackpad, which is this one. This is all with USB-C now because Apple refreshed this, so we'll just keep the bag aside over here, and these are the two products. So first, let's just unbox the Magic Trackpad. And it comes with this USB-C cable, and as you can see, this is the black color one. It's quite thin, so it's not the same as the iPad one you get with the black one, but yeah, this is also good. We have this over here. This is the Magic Trackpad. We'll keep this, just peel it up like this, and this is the trackpad itself. Looks really good. This is in the black color. If you take the iMac, you get color matched keyboards also, like this. The aluminum frame is actually color matched, so that's also good. But this is the silver one with the black trackpad itself. So we get this booklet also, and that's it for this. Now we have the Magic Keyboard. This is with Touch ID, so that's obviously a bit more expensive, but this is because if you want to use your MacBook, like you just want to use this keyboard with your MacBook or with a display, then Touch ID is going to be really useful for authentication or anything like that. So that's going to be good. But let's just open this up. And keep this over here. So yeah, here is what we get. We get this is the cable, again a black one, and along with that this booklet as we got for the trackpad, and now we have the keyboard itself. So let's just take this out. This is the keyboard itself. So this is the keyboard over here. This is with Touch ID, and there's a numeric keypad also on the right side. So that's good. Here's the trackpad, and now let's just connect both of these devices to my MacBook so we can see how it actually functions. Okay, so here we have the keyboard. We just have to turn this switch on over here, and the same for the trackpad also over here. So now we get this magic trackpad. We click on connect. Magic keyboard also is available here. Click on connect, and there it is. We have both of them connected right over here. So you can see it works. It works really good. Same with the keyboard. We can see we'll just type something, and yeah, this works pretty good. So now we'll have to just connect the whole thing to the display. So we just have to use a Thunderbolt cable for this MacBook, connect to the display, and then automatically everything is paired up. So let's do that and show you the whole setup, how it looks like. So we just have to pull this over here, and we have a power cord in this inbuilt. Just take this out. So this is over here. Both of them are done. And then over here is the power cord, where you just have to pull this. So this is the cord itself. We need to just keep this over here and untangle the wire. Yeah. So this is it itself. We have a paper just covering it, but we'll just remove the whole thing off. Take all of this off. So yeah, we have this over here, and I'll just connect everything over here with the power cord, Thunderbolt cable, all of that to show you how the display looks like. But first I have to just peel this off over here. So let's just So this is how the display looks like itself. It has 2 Thunderbolt ports and 4 USB-C ports in total. And now we'll just peel the screen also off like this. Just take this off slowly. And this is how it looks like. Nano texture glasses on the front. We have the Apple logo here, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and overall this is going to give a really good display experience. So let's just connect the whole thing to the MacBook and see how the whole ecosystem works and how good is the display actually. So this is the display over here. It is also tilt and height adjustable. You can see you can just increase the height and you can tilt it in any way you want. That's amazing. It also has 2 Thunderbolt ports, which means that you have one to the MacBook and one to my hard drive. So I can use it to edit my videos and all of that. You also have the trackpad here, and the keyboard works seamlessly, and you can see this is amazing display quality because it's 5K, and this is just amazing, especially compared to the Pro Display XDR. This has much better brightness and it's also 120 Hz, so that's going to be very good. And you can see if I just move on to another page, you can see this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like on editing, and the trackpad works really smoothly. You can connect all the accessories to your MacBook, and this is the hard drive over here. So that works really good. Like, you can do a lot of work on this. This is meant for professionals and people who want to use a bigger screen to work or even watch entertainment like this. It looks amazing on this. So yes, that's what I would like to say. This is amazing display for professionals and people who want to consume media or even use it as their secondary display to work. That's amazing. So yes, leave a like below if you like this video and do subscribe to my channel. But until then, see you next time. Bye.